Progress. To move forward in one's activity or work. In this case, I say your life. Look, you've been pushing it for far too long. Your plans. You've been delaying it for too many times. Your goals. You've been talking yourself out of taking the daily steps to accomplish it. Your dreams. Make progress. Make daily progress. Make consistent progress. Look, let me tell you, it is time to learn that new language. It is time to take that course. It is time to write that business plan. It is time to take those studies serious. It is time to leave that job and move on to your passion. It is time to do the progress to get that interview. Talk to that boss. Ask for that promotion. Make progress. It is time to get out of that abusive relationship. It is time to get out of that toxic work environment. It is time to do good on the promise you made yourself that at the end of this year, at the beginning of this month, you will take the bold step to make progress. Are you? Are you making progress? Did you fulfill the promise you made to yourself? Do me a favor. It is time to make progress. Welcome to another episode of Discipline Engineering. So today's episode is dedicated to my students, okay? Students across the world, students across the globe, every individual who is a student right now. I want to encourage you today. Today is a mentorship session. You see this report card on your screen right now? That was me. Okay, that was me. Okay, I could show you several report cards where you see the struggle, where I was last in school, and you see the improvement step by step. That is what I call making progress. And that is why I want to encourage all of you to make progress. Make progress on your plans. I want to show you guys something, right, which came in the mail this week. And indulge me for a second. Let me show you all what came in the mail. So we have this right here, right, which came in the mail this week. It came from National University, which is the institution where I was taking my master's degree. So I suppose, as you guys will all see, this is our final certificate. So it reads, National University, has my name, the degree of Master of Science in Cybersecurity, specialization in Information Assurance and Security, and it has the distinction right there, okay, distinction. I want you guys to make progress, okay? Make progress in your plans, make progress in your goals, in your life, make progress. If you look at this report card, and if you look at the progress from when I was referred to as dumb, right? When I was referred to as incapable of learning, that I could not be helped, that I was a failure. They looked at the present to define the future. But I want you to tell yourself a different story. That if you look at my report card, if you look at the struggle that I went through to where I am now, I want you to know that it is possible for you, that you are in a better position to go above and beyond. That this master's degree is a second master's degree. You might ask yourself, so where is the first one? So right here is the first one, master's degree in international affairs, international relations from University of California, San Diego. And this is the first master's degree. Okay, and the second master's degree in cybersecurity. So I want to encourage you, make progress. Do not let anybody use your past or your present to define your future. Do not, because our lives are in different phases. You might be in a phase which is struggle phase, a difficult phase, where it seems impossible to achieve your goals, where it seems impossible that your dreams will come to pass. But it's just a phase. Struggle through it. Walk through it. Push yourself through that phase. And come out at the end ready for the next phase. Because life is in phases. Your life will be in phases. And you need to take the time to move from one phase to the next phase. Prepare yourself adequately so that you can make progress. So, if you look at my report card, and if you look at 2 master's degrees, when I was rejected by 2 universities because I didn't have enough good grades to be admitted for the programs that I had applied for, it took 15 years for me to get 2 master's degrees after being rejected by 2 universities. Make progress. I was last in school. I was first in school. I was last in my class. I was first in my class. Make progress. I was rejected by 2 universities. I have received 2 master's degrees. Make progress. You could be poor today, but the same you can be rich tomorrow. Make progress. You might be struggling in your academics, in your business, in your education, in your pursuit of a goal, a dream that you have. You might be struggling. I struggled. But let that not define you. Make progress. So you see the report card you just saw? That was the past. That was my past. You see this master's degree? This is the present. And what about the future? We know what we are, but we know not what we may be. Do not despise small beginnings. Do not allow anybody to tell you you are not capable. Do not allow anybody to discourage you. Nobody can make you feel inferior without your consent. So today I want you to lift yourself up. Stand up. Get up. Get up from that depression. Get up from that discouragement. Get up from that struggle. And make plans and move your life forward. Make progress. If you have seen this and you are still not encouraged to move in the direction of your dreams, then find what is it that will motivate you and that will help you to build a discipline to accomplish your goals, to get on your journey, because you have a story to tell. You have a story to write. The next generation want to hear your story. They want to feel your story, the experiences, the struggles, the pain that you have gone through. You cannot just live without writing it down, without telling your story. Even if you just have to make one video for your next generation, for your children after you, for your family after you, even if it's just one video, record that video. Share your experiences, because they will benefit from that video. Even if you do not have children, society has children. that could benefit from your experience, from your tragedy, from your depression, from your pain. Share your experience, because it is part of your story. It is part of what makes you you. So do not despise small beginnings. Share your story. Get encouraged. Build the discipline and push forward in the direction of your dreams. Look, you will not be great in one day. You will not succeed in one day. You will not be rich in one day. But one day you will be great. One day you will succeed. And one day you will be rich. Yesterday you were a failure, being last in class, struggling to make progress. Today you've made progress. Tomorrow you'll be far ahead than where you started. So make progress. If you will do nothing, if you will take nothing from this video, make progress. Start where you are with what you have in the worst situation that you are in. You know why? Because some have done so much with so little that now they can practically do anything with nothing. So make progress. You have no excuse. Make progress. You need to make progress. This is just the beginning. Your journey has just started. Make progress. Stay tuned for more episodes. Comment below how you are making progress. And share your plans, your strategies, your techniques, and your methods with the community that we are building. Because we support each other and we can achieve more when we come together. Stay tuned. Cheers.